world-class generators, top-notch service, end-to-end solutions, a nationwide network with 18 locations. Sterling Generators helps you power the way to success. When you buy our product, you buy our quality and commitment. Welcome to our world. The creation of Sterling Generators 5 years ago marked the foray of one of India's oldest and largest construction companies. In this very short span of time, the company has gone on to become not just a preferred choice for big brands, but a respected one as well. Sterling Generators, along with its sister concern, Sterling & Wilson Limited, is rapidly emerging as a leading player in end-to-end power generation solutions. A strong network, high-quality program management, world-class manufacturing and service, and a client list that reads more like a power list. Sterling Generators' growth story is only the beginning of a commitment to success and quality. From 10 kVA gensets to 3000 kVA of sheer raw power, Sterling Generators' massive facility in Silvassa churns out gensets to meet every range of power requirement. With an elite design and supply system, a superior project management capability, a full-fledged testing capability and stringent quality control. This factory, which is one of Asia's largest integrated Digiset manufacturing facilities, forms the backbone of the organization. Supported by a strong nationwide network to ensure efficient project execution and a prompt after-sales service, Sterling Generators also promises world-class products thanks to its tie-up with leading engine manufacturers like MTU, Perkins and Volvo. Sterling Generators also offers best-in-class electrical control panels. Since the inception of this arm in 2005, the company has created a name for itself and is being viewed among the larger players in the panel business. Apart from an impressive product basket which includes power control centers, motor control centers, air-insulated bus ducts, synchronizing panels and energy management solutions, Sterling Generators also has a technological agreement with Siemens for medium voltage switchboards. This factory in Silvassa is an integrated manufacturing facility. The plant has separate export-oriented and domestic tariff units and boasts of state-of-the-art and modern technologies for all its processes. This begins at CNC sheet metal processing, fabrication followed by fully mechanized 14-tank pre-treatment process, powder coating, the assembling of the actual gensets, and manufacturing of control panels, testing, and finally the dispatch. At each stage, Sterling's well-trained and experienced staff pays the utmost attention to quality and detail. Most importantly, the commitment to quality, environmental and operational health and safety is what drives all operational procedures. It is all these factors that make Sterling Generators unique. A company with many firsts. These include Sterling Generators has created a market niche for itself by being the only company to manufacture units between the range of 10 kVA and 3000 kVA. It is also the only company with the capability to not just manufacture but also conduct a full-scale testing of up to 3000 kilowatt Digisets using microprocessor controlled load banks. Even as competitors have hogged massive market share for decades, Sterling Generators has carved out a niche market for itself by catering to the various market segment needs. The company shares an international market acceptance with exports accounting for a substantial percentage of annual sales. It is also the only company to provide end-to-end power solutions including diesel generating sets, captive power plants, customized control panels and automated load management control system. Sterling's world-class manufacturing and quality consciousness have gone on to ensure that all of the company's clients have reinforced their relationship since inception. An impeccable distribution system, project execution and personalized after-sales service ensures that customers get nothing but the best from this joint force. For instance, the Times of India printing press at Thane needed most advanced digisets with world-class specifications. Considering the quality power requirement for the printing machines and the sensitivity of the job they perform, Sterling Generators supplied, installed and commissioned 5 2000 kVA digisets at the press. With 24/7 service support, the most reliable and fuel-efficient digisets are upstaging an outstanding performance, meeting the requirement of the press fair and square. Many large-scale projects have been executed by Sterling Generators. A complete design and build job has been carried out at Tata Motors, Pantnagar in Uttaranchal. 7 number 2100 kVA digisets equipped with most advanced features have been installed to ensure uninterrupted power supply. PLC-based auto-synchronizing, auto-load sharing and auto-load management panel to feed power to the manufacturing plant remain primary highlights of the project. Handling the complete design and build job for Dial was one of the most prestigious and challenging projects for Sterling Generators. The project required 14 number 3000 kVA digisets with high reliability to meet the requirement. This project also featured PLC-based auto-synchronizing, auto-load sharing and auto-load management panel so as to feed the power to new airport terminal. Remote radiators, air ventilation, 2 medium voltage transformers and diesel tank farm of 400 kiloliters storage just helped make this project a benchmark for Sterling. A leading IT company of India, TCS, situated in the heart of Chennai, also relies on Sterling Generators for smooth and power cut-free operation. Sterling Generators has been associated with the TCS project for the design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning and maintenance on a turnkey basis. Times of India, TCS, NTPC, Tata, HP, DMRC and Delhi Airport. These names bear testament to the quality of products and services that Sterling Generators offers. A testament to the hundreds of qualified and experienced staff and engineers who have worked to make Sterling what it is today. Sterling Generators, bringing power to life.